We got the world's biggest dog, don't we, Dookie? Here, Nate, stand right there next to dude. He's freaking bigger than Nate sitting down. You say hi, Dookie. Don't you walk away. Shake. Yeah. Sup? Yeah, you're sleepy, aren't you? Ow, it's my foot. Then we got the world's strongest dog. Wrong way. Slaughter bucket. You can't see him right now, but he's right there behind the doghouse. And this is his bed. He doesn't even make his bed. Matt or Duke, he don't make his own bed. I know. And this is Nate's here in the morning. I got better. Your phone's still going, dude. Run out of batteries. Well, yeah.